So let's read a story for today about house for sale. Mr. Mendoza sells a house and lot worth 500,000 and receives a commission of 5%. How much is his commission? Now, Mr. Mendoza here is the agent of the house. Now, to find for the commission, let's define first the terms. What is commission? A commission pertains to the sum of money received for the services rendered by a person who sells or buys goods on behalf of another person. The amount of commission is based on a certain percent taken from the value of the goods sold or purchased. Another term that we need to consider is net proceeds. Net proceeds is the amount that is left after the commission is deducted from the selling price. Now, how is commission being solved? When you say commission, it's also a percentage. Okay, so it's application of percentage-based rate. The amount of commission is a percentage, and the total sales. This total sales is the base because that is the amount or the value of the property or the product. And this is the rate of commission. How much is the rate of the commission, or defined for the percentage or the percent or the rate? Now, in this given example, let's answer the story problem. So Mr. Mendoza, the agent who sells a house and lot in behalf of the owner, the value of the house is 500,000 and the commission that Mr. Mendoza will receive is 5%. So since that is percentage, what we are going to do is follow the formula percentage times the rate. Now for the percentage, that's the missing. The base is the total value of the house. This is 500,000. And the rate of the commission is 5%. That's the commission rate. So if it's 5%, we need to change it to a decimal number by moving to the decimal point 2 places to the left, 1, 2. Then our decimal point now is 0.05. Then remove the percent symbol. Now we multiply 500,000 times 0.05. We have 0.0000525. Okay, and then count the decimal places 1, 2, 1, 2. Therefore, the percentage or the amount of commission or Mr. Mendoza's commission is 25,000 pesos. That's what he receives for selling the house and lot in behalf of the owner. Now, if you're going to visualize this in this one, this is the total value. This is the 500,000. 5% of that is for the agent. Okay, that is 5% for the agent, or the commission that is for the agent who sold the product or the property. And this net proceeds is for the owner. This is what she gets after the commission is being deducted from the total value. So the net proceeds for the owner is 95%, and the 5% is for the agent, so a total of 100%. These net proceeds, they are percentage. The commission and the net proceeds are percentages because they are just part of the whole. 95% for the net proceeds, 5% for the agents, only part of the base. So, if the question is how much is his commission, then the answer is 25,000 pesos. So, this is 25,000. And if the question is how much is the net proceeds, what you're going to do is to subtract 500,000 to 25,000, and that is 475,000 for the owner. So, again, net proceeds is for the owner, commission is for the agent. So the total is 500,000. Let's have more examples regarding commission. A total sales of 230,000 pesos has a 12% rate of commission. take note of what the given rate, because it might be the rate is rate of the net proceeds or the rate of commission, just like in the discount. So it can be the discount or the discounted price. So same with the commission, there is a rate of commission or rate of the net proceeds. So the question is, how much is the commission? Then we are going to follow this. Since commission is a percentage, the base is 230,000 times the rate of commission, which is 12%, which is 0.12. We multiply 230,000 times 0.12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3, 2. Okay. 6, and that is 7. Count the decimal places, 1, 2. Therefore, the amount of commission, or how much is the commission, the answer is 27,600. So again, we use the 0.12 per rate of commission because we're looking for the commission itself, and the base is the total value or the total sales. Next, Mr. Francisco, as a sales agent, delivers 100 reams of bond paper worth 13,500. How much will he receive if he has 20% commission? So still the same process. We use the formula base times rate, and the base is 13,500. That's the total sales. And Mr. Francisco will receive 20% of the commission, which is 0.20, because we are going to remove that, and the percent symbol move 2 places to the left, and there's the decimal point, which is 0.20. Multiply 13,500 times 0.20, 1, 2, okay, 0, then 0, 0, 10, carry 1, 7, 2. Then count the decimal places, it's 2. The answer is 2,700 pesos. So Mr. Francisco will receive 2,700 pesos for his commission. Next, a salesman receives a commission of 7.5% for any sale that he makes. What will his commission be if he sold a car for 560,000 pesos? How much is the net proceeds? So there are two questions here, so we need to answer here two also. So the first one is, how much is the commission? So for the commission, we need to find for the percentage by multiplying the total sales times the rate of the commission. So the base is 560,000, that's the price of the car, multiplied by the rate, which is 7.5%. Remove the percent symbol, move 2 places to the left, 1, 2 from the decimal point. Here's our decimal point. Since it's empty, the place value is empty, add 0. Therefore, our rate is 0.075. And then no more percent symbol. We can now multiply 560,000 times 0.075, 0, 0, 0, 0, 30, that is 28, 0, 0, okay, 42, carry 4, that is 39, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10, carry 1, 12, carry 1, 4, and then 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, a salesman will receive 42,000 as his commission. So we already answered the first question. The second one is, how much is the net proceeds? To find for the net proceeds, all you have to do is to subtract 560,000 minus the 42,000 pesos. That's the commission, because the net proceeds is for the owner, and that should be deducted from the commission already. So 0, 0, 0, that is 815. Therefore, the net proceeds is 518,000. This is the net proceeds, and this is for the commission for the agent, and this is for the owner. You may also solve it in different way by multiplying, still finding the percentage base times rate, but the base is still the same, 560,000 pesos. But for the rate, it is 92.5%. Where did I get that 92.5%? Which is 0.95925, because 100% minus 7.5% is 92.5%. No need to subtract 560 minus 420, because the same thing you will get, the answer is 518,000 pesos. So no need to subtract 560 minus the answer here, because automatically you are looking for the net proceeds. But again, it's up to you. You may get the rate of commission first, then subtract it from the total value if the question is the net proceeds, or you may just use the rate of the net proceeds, which is the 100% minus 7.5%. Next, Kian receives 6% commission on each new TV set he sells. Last week, he sold a TV set at 24,999. How much is the net proceeds? So we find first the commission so that we can subtract it from the total sales to get the net proceeds. So we have 24,999 times 0.06, since 6% is 0.06 in decimal. We have 24,999.06, 54 carry 5, 54, 59 carry 5, 59, 5, 24, 29 carry 2, 12, 14. Okay, count the decimal places, 1, 2. We are not going to multiply this because it's still 0. You just have to count the decimal place. So yeah. The commission is 1,499 pesos and 94 cents. But that is for the commission. That is not the answer, because that's not what is asked in the problem. The question is, what is the net proceed? We need to subtract 24,999 pesos minus this 1,499.94. Okay, this is 6, 0, 9, 9, 4. This is 3, 2. Okay, let's check 10, 10, 1, 10, 1. Okay, so it's correct. The net proceeds is 23,499 pesos and 6 centavos. This is the commission, but we just use this. We just use this to subtract from the total sales. Or you can just multiply right away 24,999 times 94% or 0.94, because the rate of commission is 6%, therefore the rate of net proceeds is 94%. So that you don't need to subtract from the total sales to its commission. Let's check if it is the same. As you can see, when you multiply 24,999 times 0.94, the answer is 23,499 and 6 centavos. It's the same as we get the answer here if we will get the rate of commission then subtract. Okay, next. Willie earned 38,500 as commission from selling house and lot. If his commission rate was 5%, what was his total sales? This time the problem is the base, or the missing is the base, and for the base we divide percentage divided by rate. And for the commission, he earned 38,500, that is the percentage for the commission, right? And for the rate, which is 5% or 0.05. And if you're going to divide 38,500 divided by 0.05, make sure that this will be a whole number. We move 2 places, this will be 5 as a whole number. Then, if you're going to move 2 places, you also move 2 places here. So it comes, okay, 3,850,000 divided by 5. the answer would be 770,000 pesos. So that's the total sales or the base.